Hi guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Let's walk through what we did in the first 2 weeks of the June Leetcoding challenge. Please like the video, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any update. Starting with the week 1. On day 1, we applied recursion to invert the nodes of a binary tree, replacing the left nodes with the right node. On day 2, we learned the basics of linked list, deleted the elements specified from the linked list, while we weren't given the head of the linked list. On day 3, we applied custom sort to find the flight route that will cost us the minimum. The day 4 question was one of the basic interview questions that is asked in almost every company. We applied a two-pointer approach to optimize the time and space required to reverse a string. The day 5 question was a mix of math and logic. We performed sampling of data, which is the basics of machine learning algorithm and so has a wide range of use. The day 6 question, we were given disintegrated pieces of information about a person and height of people standing in front of them. We reconstructed the exact queue based on the height and cues provided. On the last day of week 1, we found out the solution to all the distinct ways we can make a coin change for an amount given an unlimited stock for a few denominations. The week 2 started off with an easy question. We wrote a one-liner code using bit manipulation to tell if a given number is a power of 2. The day 2 question was an easier version of uncrossed lines, wherein in a single iteration by using two pointers we found out if a new string is formed from the original string by deleting some of the characters without disturbing the relative position of the remaining characters. The day 3 question was based on binary search, wherein we searched the position of the given element in a sorted array, and if the element was found, we returned its position. Otherwise, we returned the position at which it would have been found if it were there. On day 4 of week 2, we learned one of the famous Dutch national flag problem. We saw how to solve it in one pass without having to reiterate the input. On day 5, we implemented our own randomized set. On day 6, we learned how to break the problem into smaller pieces and work on each of them to provide a final answer. In short, we applied the concept of dynamic programming to find the largest divisible subset in a given list of integers. The last question from the week 2 was a graph-based question, wherein we learned how to apply various algorithms to find the shortest path in a given weighted graph. We tried it using the Dijkstra's algorithm and DFS. However, you can also try using the Billman-Ford and BFS. Thanks for watching the video. The link to the June playlist is in the description. Do not forget to like this video. Happy coding!